Hey fuckers, it's just fucking meditation. You're in the right place. And this meditation is for someone that got ghosted. Maybe it was a long-term girlfriend, boyfriend, significant other, husband, wife, and they just left you on red, ghosted your ass. This meditation is for you. So find a comfortable spot to close your eyes, relax that ass, sit the fuck down. You can do this seated or lying down, but don't overthink it, you fucking crazy ass. Don't overthink it. It's okay because it's just meditation and you can't really fuck this up because I'm not grading you. You pass, you're here. Give yourself a pat on the back or maybe a nice little pat on the ass if that does the trick for you. But yeah, once you find that comfortable place, close your eyes and bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Just your natural breath. In and out, nice and fucking smooth. Because all you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my soothing voice. And as you breathe and listen to the sound of my voice, you start to relax. You start to arrive. Bringing your mind to your body. There you go. Fully relaxing each and every breath you take. And start to smooth out your breath, however you'd like to do that, either in and out through your nose or in and out through your mouth. Smooth it the fuck out. That's right. Nice and smooth. Now bring your awareness and attention to your big toe. You thought I was going to say something else, you sick fuck. Your big toe. Your awareness and attention to your big toe. Either one. Just notice it. Observe it. And send some love to this big toe of yours. Just send it. Give that big toe some love. And allow that love to expand to your other toes, to your feet, to your ankles or cankles. If you got cankles, it's cool. Up your legs, around your knees, around your thighs, then into your waist, in your torso and the fingertips, the hands, wrists, arms, shoulders, chest, nipples, good old nips there, around the back, all this love, around the back, up and down the spine, your butt cheeks, giving love to your butt cheeks, your butt crack, up around your neck and your throat, all this love, into your jaw, your mouth, your tongue, your face, your ears, your nose, eyes, forehead. Relaxing your fucking face. Yeah, relax your face. Love your face. Love to your whole body. There you go. Giving yourself this love. Because fuck that person that ghosted you. You're sexy. You're hot. You're giving all this love to yourself. You're worth it. Yes, you are. You are worth it. But let's get rid of that fucked up energy, this ghost of a person leaving you on red. And in just a moment, I want you to picture that person or that last text you sent, or that feeling, that fucked up energy that you like to get rid of. Maybe it's anger, or loneliness, or who the fuck knows, only you. But in just a moment, I want you to feel this. Feel it in your body, see it in your mind. Maybe you picture it, you picture the person, or you hear them, or you smell them. Now, feel this feeling. See this person or that last text. Feel this uncomfortable shit. Allow it to come up. Allow those emotions to come up. It's okay. See it in your mind's eye. Feel this shit. Now allow the picture to fade away of this person or the text, but stay with the feeling in your body. Where is this fucked up feeling in your body? Some people feel it in their chest, or their stomach, or their throat, or their asshole. Where do you feel this fucked up energy? And once you know exactly where you feel it, pinpoint it, locate it. And once you pinpoint it, once you locate it, you may start to see a color. And it's the first color that comes to your fucking mind. Don't overthink it. Some people see one color, multiple colors. Maybe you don't see a color at all, and that's okay. But if you were to see a color, what color is it? Now allow that color to float out of your body. Allow that color, that fucked up energy, to float out of your body. Pull it out. Pull it out of your body. Get this fucking color out of your body. Pull it out. As you pull it out, it's like a cloud in the room. The shit-ass energy is a cloud in the room. Now I wonder if you remember Ghostbusters movie, when they put that ghost trap out there and it sucks up that ghost. Imagine putting out your ghost trap, opening it up, and it sucks all this fucked up color, this energy, this ghost, sucks it into the trap. And once it sucks it into the trap, once all that energy's gone, close that motherfucker. You realize the energy's gone. That ghost is gone. Yes, you feel better, don't you? Because you're a sexy beast. Yes, you are. And you're worth it. Feeling this freedom. Feeling this energy release. You just trapped the ghost. They're gone. And you're ready to move forward. And saying this affirmation silently to yourself if you'd like. I am the shit. I am the shit. I am the shit. Yes, you are. I am the shit. And taking this freedom, this energy with you throughout your day. Because you're worth it. And you are the shit. Thank you so much for meditating with me today. Have an amazing fucking day. I am the shit.